This is a 2016 Honda Civic that hasn't been detailed in years, and the family hasn't been kind. I'm going to show you every products and tools that I use to turn this disaster detail into a fresh and clean interior. And with that, let's jump right into it. First off, let's look at the condition of the car. We have food, salt stain, greasy leather, debris, grit, wear and tear on the plastic, on the steering wheel. So right off the bat, I know that I have at least 6 hours of work. This is not going to be an easy one. There's also ink stain on the headliner. So we're gonna have to use the big guns for this one. The accessory number one is going to be your black neutral gloves for obvious reasons. Tool number two is going to be the rigid vac with the auto detailing kit, which provides the hose and the crevice tool. So I started by removing the big stuff with my bare hands, and then I did a first vacuum before blowing anything out. There's so much debris in there. This carpet is so thin and so Velcro-like material. Everything wants to stick to it. By the way, every products and tools used and mentioned during this video are going to be linked down below, and you can use the coupon code Dogma to save some money, and that's the best way to support this channel. Thank you so much. Now, as the carpets get better and better, I need to make sure I don't miss anything. This is why I'm using the lighting solution from Next LED. In this case, I'm using the headlamp. As you can see, the vacuum by itself is not going to cut it. So I'm gonna use my air compressor. This is the ultra silent stealth air compressor, 20 gallon. And to blow out everything, I'm going to connect my Tornador blow gun. That's going to open up the fibers and dislodge anything that is stuck there.
Okay, so we did the air blower, we did the vacuum twice, we also did the drill brush. What you see here, what you have left, like the hardest salt stain you can find, okay? You can go at it for the whole day, but in my experience, you'll see in the next step how we can take care of that. It's the same story in the corners, usually on the dead spots of your rubber mats. It's really hard and grimy, so we're gonna have to get the big guns for that. And check out those shiny leather seats. And as you can see, we have some leftover crap here. What is it? Pen, Advil. Now here we have a few removable items with Coke or whatever leftover, really crap, nasty. You can clean this in the sink much easier with our APC. This is pretty much how the carpet looks. That's much better from where we started to here.
At this point, I'm probably an hour and a half into dry cleaning the carpets. Now we're ready for chemicals and wet cleaning. If you don't live in the Northeast, what this is salt buildup. You'll need boiling water to remove that. Next tool is the CarPro XL detailing brush. Very stiff, very useful to dislodge grime and grease. I paired it with my APC of choice, which is Kushimi Green Star. Dilution is 10:1. Now the next step, I'm going to pre-treat the carpets with Adams Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner. I like this one, it doesn't foam, works well for my extractor, and we're going to let it dwell and agitate with the drill brush. This is part of the Under the Hood light by NYX LED. This is the Mighty 8070 light hot water extractor. Now for the interior product of choice, I'm going with Kushimi MZR. This is an APC for the interior. I'm using a dilution of 1:20. I don't always recommend that you spray directly on the material, but on this car, this is so grimy, so beat up, it really needs the dwell time. And I'm spraying from bottom up so we don't get those drip lines, stains on the leather. So I'm pairing this with the Detail Factory Screwball Borzair version, some microfiber towels, which are the Rag Company 365 edgeless. Don't worry, everything will be linked down below for you. So to recap, pretty simple: spray, agitate, wipe off with a wet towel, wipe off a second time with a dry towel. Now that you know that everything is possible in the interior, watch how I transform paint from trash to almost perfect right here.